That's 360.
Makes it
So
360.
I have to rotate it?
No, you just hold it and
Okay.
it'll do everything.
Like a process.
It's actually good, also good practice to only have one person per flight.
Yeah,
So
also.
I'll
I
save
mean,
it.
the price tool does these are good, but it's better to have one person for each run. That's right.
practice.
Thank you.
What would you consider landing for the bell tower? There's one area right there. Is that considered landing or each of these?
I don't know the answer to that. That's,
3.
now they're chewing on that one. It may not be important in this one, but you may find that it is in others.
Be careful here. There's a hole in the stair.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, so that's.
Well, he was asking me what I considered landing for going up. Oh, okay, that wasn't a reference for the structure.
That's the fourth
I consider
window.
each kind of flight up.
Yeah, that's what.
In the shaft.
Yeah.
Also here, when you come here on the last floor, there's a hole. Okay. It's narrow, but not that much. And here we are. There's a bit of nature.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, I found it out.
Yeah, these are packed, so it's safer. But last year the guys were always knocking their doors on the.
Did you do this one last year?
Yeah.
So, do I get to start weeding? Do you guys actually remove the weeds from up here?
No.
Why not?
Here, I'll take the bucket.
We would like to,
Ah.
but last year we didn't.
Uh-huh.
We had no time. We were doing like 2 bell towers every day.
Yeah, that's too
So
fast.
it was too fast. But we could try to clean up the site, belfry.
Yeah, because the weeds really do a lot of the damage.
Yeah.
So is this one, are these speakers?